In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook profile frame using Canva quickly and easily. This task will take just about 5 minutes of your time, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Canva on your web browser. If you don't have an account yet, it will just take a minute to sign up. Once you're there, head over to the search bar at the top of the homepage. Type in Facebook profile frame and hit enter. This is going to display a range of pre-designed templates specifically tailored for Facebook profile frames. It's a convenient starting point and saves you the time of having to design from scratch. Now, take a moment to browse through the variety of options. You'll find plenty of themes and styles, so feel free to pick one that resonates with your personal taste or the message you want to convey. Once you've found a design that you like, click on it to open the template. You'll notice a button that says Customize this template. Go ahead and click on that. With the template open in the editor, this is where the fun begins. Canva offers an intuitive interface, so making adjustments is straightforward. You can change the image and edit the text as needed. To replace the existing placeholders with your personal touch, select any element by clicking on it. A toolbox will appear above the canvas with various options. You can alter fonts, colors, and more, ensuring your profile frame uniquely represents you. Next, let's focus on adding any personal images you'd like to use. On the left sidebar, there's an option labeled Uploads. Click on it and you'll see a button that says Upload an image or video. Select it and then drag and drop the image you want to use from your computer into the designated section. Canva makes it super simple to change images. Just click, drag and drop your new image from the uploads directly onto the existing one on the frame. This action will seamlessly replace the placeholder with your own picture. And just like that, you've created a custom Facebook profile frame using Canva. You can now download your design and upload it to Facebook, where it will beautifully frame your profile picture and add a personalized touch to your social media presence. With a little creativity and these straightforward steps, you can make your profile stand out while enjoying the ease and flexibility of using Canva. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy designing!